Tafmane's seniors pointed out that while Tafmane was intelligent and a brilliant strategist, he lacked some experience in commanding key army units like a brigade and he did not have combat experience. Sarabina mashoko kwanzi seniors watu wote Tafmane panguva ine watadza kuva satisfied after he directly came from the CIO achiuya achiitwa the commander of the ZNA. Tiendera mberi panguva ine, then was subscribe or like on the bell icon News Hawks Isanangura GT. It soon became clear that he was appointed as part of Nagawa's coup-proofing strategy to shut out Chiwenga and secure his unconstitutional 2030 tenure extension, while eyebrows were raised. What eventually helped Tafmane was his brilliant mind, doing staff courses and further training. Tafmane assumed his role as ZNA commander as part of the significant military reshuffle by Mnangagwa. As he did in 2019, when Chiwenga and others wanted to declare a state of emergency while he was visiting Russia and Eastern Europe, Mnangagwa turned to former Zebra commanders for help. In 2019, Zivanda bailed him out from being ousted in another coup. Last year, Zivanda helped out Mnangagwa again to avert a coup before the March 31 mass action, as it was feared Chiwenga, using his key ally, former ZNA commander, retired Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, would topple him. Sanyatwe was quickly removed 3 days before March 31. That was his second removal. Prior to that, Sanyatwe had been removed as Presidential Guard Commander and sent out as commander to Tanzania. He was brought back as ZNA commander in October 2023 before being fired in March last year to avoid a potential coup. Tafmane, with Matato's guidance, guarantees that though my developments atiawati kupenengure pamusoro pedherais Tafmane is the ZNA commander. Pena kuma section medu nzamfunguro ili motu pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit the bell icon.